Welcome to the guide on adding apps to your Tesla Model X. As of December 2025, Tesla's infotainment system offers various ways to enhance your driving experience with entertainment, streaming, and browsing. This video will show you how to install and use apps safely and efficiently. We'll focus on leveraging Tesla's updated App Store and browser capabilities to get the most out of your Model X. Tesla's app ecosystem is built around its proprietary operating system and two main ways to access apps. Tesla vehicles run on their own Linux-based operating system, which is custom designed for automotive use and provides a secure foundation for the app ecosystem. The Tesla App Store offers native apps that are optimized specifically for Tesla vehicles, providing seamless integration with vehicle controls and systems. The built-in web browser, based on Chromium, allows access to web-based apps and services that aren't available in the App Store. Understanding whether to use the App Store or browser helps you access the widest range of entertainment and streaming options in your Tesla. First, ensure your Model X is connected to Wi-Fi or has an active data plan. This connection is essential for downloading apps. Next, tap the App Store icon on the main touchscreen. The App Store is your gateway to Tesla-approved apps. Browse or search for supported apps like Hulu, Spotify, or web-based services. Use the search function to find specific apps quickly. Tap the app and select Install. The installation process begins with a simple tap. The app will download and install automatically. You'll see progress as it completes. Note that Tesla curates the App Store for compatibility and safety, so not all apps are available. This ensures a secure and optimized experience. For apps not available in the Tesla App Store, you can use the built-in web browser to access unsupported services. This provides an alternative way to enjoy entertainment options like YouTube and Twitch directly on your Model X touchscreen. Start by opening the web browser on your Model X touchscreen. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during streaming. Type the website URL into the browser's address bar. For example, go to www.youtube.com to access YouTube's full range of videos and channels. Similarly, navigate to www.twitch.tv for live streaming and gaming content. The browser supports many popular websites with responsive touch controls. After the page loads, look for the option to create a shortcut. This adds an icon to your home screen, giving you app-like access without needing the full App Store integration. Remember to monitor your data usage, as streaming can consume significant bandwidth. Always ensure a reliable internet connection to prevent buffering or interruptions during your drive. Tesla prioritizes driver safety above all in its app ecosystem. Many entertainment apps are optimized for passenger use or when the vehicle is parked, as shown on the infotainment screen. Tesla's focus mode restricts interactive features while driving to minimize distractions. Streaming is encouraged for passengers, especially via the rear touchscreen available on some trims. Always adhere to these safety guidelines to avoid distractions and ensure a safe driving experience. The app landscape for Tesla vehicles is evolving rapidly. Tesla is expanding partnerships with major streaming services and integrating advanced technologies to create a richer entertainment experience. The Tesla app ecosystem is becoming more open and integrated, moving beyond basic navigation to comprehensive entertainment options. Tesla is forming partnerships with leading streaming services like HBO Max and Paramount Plus, bringing premium content directly to your vehicle. Future updates will incorporate artificial intelligence to provide personalized app recommendations based on your driving habits and preferences. Cross-platform syncing will enable seamless transitions between your phone and Tesla, allowing you to continue listening to music or watching content without interruption. Expect more integration and a richer entertainment experience in the coming years, potentially rivaling traditional infotainment systems with advanced features and seamless connectivity. Let's examine some popular apps on the Tesla Model X. Netflix allows streaming of movies and TV shows directly on the central touchscreen while the vehicle is parked or with passengers present. The Tesla Theater integration provides a full-screen immersive experience. Spotify integrates seamlessly with the Model X, syncing playlists from your account and enabling controls via the steering wheel buttons. This hands-free operation enhances safety while enjoying music during drives. YouTube is accessible through the built-in browser or a semi-native app, offering versatile video content. It's particularly useful for passengers, providing entertainment options for various interests during long journeys. Disney Plus brings family-friendly movies and shows to the Model X, perfect for road trips with children. Features like offline downloads ensure entertainment even without a strong internet connection. These apps enhance both driving and passenger experiences, making the Tesla Model X a more enjoyable vehicle overall. Now for tips, expert opinions, and our conclusion on adding apps to your Tesla Model X. Experts praise Tesla's curated approach to apps, which enhances security by reducing cyber risks compared to more open systems like Android Auto, according to analysts from JD Power. Remember to keep your Model X software updated through over-the-air updates to access the latest app features and ensure compatibility with new services. Consumer Reports surveys from 2025 show that 72% of Tesla owners regularly use streaming apps, with high satisfaction rates for services like Netflix and Spotify. By following the installation steps through the App Store and browser, you can maximize your entertainment options and enjoy a richer in-car experience. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience with expanded entertainment capabilities in your Tesla Model X.